Alright guys, this is Fisher over here. This is another video, number 5 I think. And my other video I said I was gonna check up my friend Murray, my Twitter. Well, she's almost done. Got my exhaust made. Well, I got the one made. Working on the other. I haven't said this, but I have 2 brand new spark plugs. I had 2 belts coming in the mail because I got my other one. My other brand, my other one. This is what I did for my kit. 2 1-inch bolts. 3/4 bore. Cut that out. I think about an inch and a half, somewhere around there. As you can see, it's still off the ground just a little bit, but it is bleeding just a little bit. Not very bad. Got this exhaust done. It's all bolted up, finished. All I gotta do is weld those 4 bolts, because I got one that's left on that side. Weld those 2 fine. Maybe put a support beam on it for the back side so it doesn't go forward and backwards when you're hitting jumps and whatnot. This is the one I got right now. Just attached and tacked. It fits up in there nice and perfect, so I'm just gonna put a beanie across the middle. Finish that up. That's no gas. I didn't realize when I was welding, for the past like 5 welds I did. My gas, my NOS, NOS, was off, and that's all. And I'm going scuba diving tonight, or not, keep saying scuba diving. I'm going scuba diving on Friday. I went to school last night, and I'm going to school today. It is Sunday, so I have the week off, which is good. And I got enough time to work on my lawn. My house finished. Still grounded, so I can't drive it. My dad said they okay Monday night, and I worked on it till 12:30 last night, or no, Monday night. I got the exhaust, but I had them messed up. So, take y'all up here, and this is going to be a shorter video, hopefully. Maybe not 8 minutes long as the other ones, but try to get y'all